Welcome to another delightful episode of our baking adventures. Shortcake sparkles today, we are rolling out the ultimate showstopper, patterned roulette sweets for men. Whether you're baking for a special occasion or just to impress, this unique treat is sure to make waves. Join me as we dive into the magical world of baking artistry, where every roll of the dough and every intricate pattern comes to life. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into a masterpiece that's both delicious and visual. Stay tuned, because this sweet creation is not just a treat for the taste buds but a feast for the eyes as well. Let's bake some magic together. Without wasting any time, let's introduce the ingredients. 3 eggs, 85 grams of flour, 70 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 6 tablespoons of water, 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of syrup. You can substitute it with diluted honey. First, separate the egg yolks and whites. Now, add the honey, water, and oil to the mixture and blend again. Mix the separated egg whites with 35 grams of sugar and beat them on high speed until they form soft peaks. Are you loving this sweet adventure so far? Gradually combine the two mixtures in 3 stages, folding gently. Separate a portion of the batter and mix it with black food coloring until it becomes uniform. Place the design template you've printed under parchment paper and start decorating with the colored batter. One of my customers wanted to surprise her husband on his birthday, so I chose this masculine design for the roulade. Once your design is complete, bake it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 3 minutes. Then, pour the remaining batter over it and smooth it with a spatula. Bake the batter at 230 degrees Celsius for 6 minutes. For learning the most useful trick in baking, watch this video. Meanwhile, prepare the whipped cream. After removing the roulade from the oven, let it cool for 30 minutes, then peel off the parchment paper. Spread the whipped cream evenly over the cake and smooth the surface. Gently roll the roulade. If you enjoyed watching, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on any of my deliciously delightful content.